The $230 View doorbell camera is quite a bit different than August's previous buzzers. The first thing you'll notice is its design. Yeah, it looks nice in general, but the main departure from past August doorbells is its rectangular rather than square shape. This update is critical because it makes the View a lot slimmer and much easier to fit on a standard sized door frame. The whole battery thing makes the August View easier to install since you aren't dealing with electrical wiring. You might need to drill a couple holes to mount the base plate to the install spot you've chosen, but that's about it. The app setup is fairly straightforward too. Log in, select Set up a new device, and follow the step-by-step guide to get going. Your purchase includes a plug-in doorbell chime along with the doorbell itself. Both are very easy to configure in the app. After that, you'll get push alerts on your phone and be able to pull up a live video feed of whoever's at your door. You can talk to them, and if you have a compatible August smart lock, even unlock the door to let them in, all from the same screen. All of this worked well, and I'm particularly glad August is offering 24 hours of free video clip storage, along with the optional cloud subscription plans. One thing I didn't like about this doorbell is the boot up time it takes to actually see the live feed in the app. It's literally 15 seconds or more, and by the time you actually get there, you've missed the activity. Otherwise, this is a solid device that's simple to install and, unlike August's other buzzers, actually looks like a doorbell. Consider it if you're searching for a battery-powered doorbell with a simple setup and free video clips.
The video doorbell includes a user manual, the doorbell receiver, screws to install it into the wall, batteries, a USB charger, tape to attach the device to the wall, and a handy box. Installation of the batteries in the SD card is fairly straightforward. First, remove the back panel and then the battery cover. This will reveal a slot for the batteries in the SD card slot. Next, insert all batteries into the same orientation with the negative side pointed down. Replace the battery cover in the black panel and you're ready to go. To replace the outside back panel, align the grooves on the side of the back panel with the grooves on the back of the device. After your installation is complete, the device will power on and the red light will flash. The doorbell works through connecting with the 2C app, which is available on the Apple App Store or the Android Store. Installing the app and connecting it with the doorbell is a simple process. First, use the button in the upper right corner to add a new device. Next, enter the configuration interface and connect to the 2C Wi-Fi channel you can find on your phone. You'll need to enter the password for the Wi-Fi channel you're trying to connect to. You can name your device and even enter an administrative password to control who can change the settings. The doorbell can send alerts directly to your cell phone. Hi, I have a package to deliver.
Please see about the porch, thank you.
And the two-way audio and microphone allow easy communication with those at your door.
A lot happens at your front door. With a Ring Video Doorbell, you'll never miss a visitor.
Hi, Shelly. You home?
You know what? I'm at the store. I'll be there in like 10 minutes.
Hello?
Oh, hey, thought I missed you. Got a couple packages for you.
Oh, great. Can you put it around back, please?
Anytime, from anywhere, Ring keeps you connected to the things that matter most.
Hi, Mom.
Hey, you guys. Text me what you want for dinner.
Okay.
Home security starts at your front door. The Ring Video Doorbell features HD video, two-way talk, and customizable motion detection, which alerts you when anyone steps onto your property.
Hi there. What can I do for you?
Is this 217 Pine Street?
No, I think you're in the wrong place.
Sorry.
Ring puts home security in your hands and makes it easy to watch over your property. With the Ring Video Doorbell, you're always home.
A house is so much more than walls and windows. It's where we build our lives and stories. Protect your home and greet your guests with Remobell W, the video doorbell with motion detection, HD video, and two-way talk.
You have the right house. I'll be right there.
Okay, great. Thanks so much.
Remobell W records all activities, so you can watch them whenever you want.
I wonder what I missed.
Every little detail of your home matters. Keep your home secure by staying on top of all of the outside's little surprises. Remobell W, the ultimate video doorbell for your home.